Hello everyone and welcome back. In this one we're just going to be looking for some nice winter camping here in Colorado. Probably not going to be a whole lot of snow. It did snow pretty good last weekend, but it's pretty much gone by now. But we'll see what we can find. I hope you like it. Seen the video where my winch exploded. Actually, this is quite close to that, but I'm also a lot more prepared this time, and I'm not going to be doing that trail anyway. And we'll just hang out, have a low stress kind of Saturday afternoon. That's the plan. The area that I'm going to head to is just down this little bit, and it's not tracked out yet. Awesome. I love it when it's like that. It means I get to track it out. Just gonna air down real quick just in case. It's not that I'm nervous about it. There's probably 6 inches of snow, but I'm not in a hurry to get to camp, and I'd rather not get stuck. I'd rather just get to camp and hang out. So, airing down. Anyway, what I wanted to show you was, you probably noticed this. This is a new solar panel that I got from Cascadia Off-Road, and it's really nice. It's meant for the Tacoma. It fits just on the hood there. It adheres to it. Relatively permanent though. But it's a nice 90-watt panel and a great location. I couldn't put one up on the camper because I barely fit in my garage as is. But I'll be talking about that in an upcoming video about 12-volt power and planning out your builds and stuff. So keep an eye out for that. That'll be a good video. This spot though is one that I come to multiple times a year. It's just a really nice spot. It's down this little hill, fairly secluded, right by a little creek. You know, it's just great in the spring, summer, fall, winter, anytime. It's a great spot, but I'm not going to tell you where it is. But if you can figure it out where it is through this video, then that's pretty good, and you deserve to know where it is. Alright, well that's pretty much it. I'll level out a bit, but this is where we'll be, and I'll clear a bunch of snow out of here, of course. Let me show you now why this spot is so awesome. I found the fire pit, the one that's usually right here in the summer. Found it. that's where I'll have my fire. Yeah. Whew. All right, we've got the truck nice and level and cleared out a little spot. Not too bad. This will be a nice spot. You know how you forget something every time you go camping? Guess what I forgot on this snow camping trip? My beanie. That's one of the worst things I could have forgotten. It's a good thing I have that new heater in the truck. That'll be nice. I do have a spare hoodie in the truck also though, so I might put that on underneath. And I'll at least have a hood, better than nothing. So I've been getting into a new hobby lately, which is FPV drones, like drone racing, freestyle, cinematic stuff. Not like the camera drones like DJI stuff. Anyway, if that interests you, I've been documenting my learning progress in this channel up here. Pretty interesting. I'm learning quite a bit so far. But I have a basic little starter kit with me, a little tiny drone. And I'm just going to fly it around here. Hopefully it's not too windy. And just fly around. The little ones don't have the greatest video quality though, but I'll put it in anyway. The goal is to get to the point where I can have a big one and carry like a GoPro, some sort of, you know, high-def camera. So let's have some fun. So if you're not familiar with what an FPV drone is, they come in very different sizes. This is mine, my first one. It's a little baby starter drone, just to kind of teach you the mechanics of it. Unlike the DJI camera drones, they don't fly themselves, so it's full manual control. But the cool part is you do get to see through a set of goggles like these are really bad ones though, you get to see from the drone's point of view, so you can go pretty far away. And you know, even something as small as this is still pretty quick and pretty acrobatic. So let's go for a little rip around. You know, I'm really excited for when I get to have a big drone and be able to fly up some of these hillsides up to the top of the mountain, 13,000 feet, and then come shooting back down. Ah, that's gonna be so cool. I'm so excited for that. But we're making progress. I'm still terrible, obviously, but we're getting there. Let's go check out the river again. Oh God, the wind. I can feel it. I can hear it. When you're in the wind, speed is your friend. Not that this is a very fast drone. Just saying. I was actually trying to go over here. And then turn. Yeah. Oh, that was close. Holy moly, there's a tree. So, while that stuff is charging, let me go over some of the stuff in the camper that you haven't seen since the last trip video. But if you watch all my other videos, like build stuff where I add things, thank you. I appreciate that. Anyway, if you haven't, let's talk about some of the stuff I've done. Main one is this heater right here. This is a Chinese diesel heater kit from maxbeatingrods.com, and I've got it hard mounted installed into the truck bed, which I only did that because I have a camper. I wouldn't do that if you have a rooftop tent, just build it out of a box like everyone else. But this thing has been fantastic. I've taken it out. Let's see, this will be the 4th night of winter snow camping, and it's kept me above 60-70 degrees Fahrenheit when it's 10 degrees Fahrenheit outside. So it's been pretty awesome, and I really like this thing. And we're going to use it tonight, of course. Other than that, it's pretty much just the camper itself, which I get into it right here. It's a homemade camper. I built it completely myself, designed and built. Modeled after some of the brands that are already existing, like Go Fast Campers and Vagabonds and stuff like that. But I made it different. I made it my own, and I love this thing. It works great. I've got blueprints and plans and how-to guides and bill of materials, shopping list, everything you need. I'll put links to that in the description as well if you're interested. It's a big project, but it's pretty freaking awesome. So anyway, yeah, that's the whole back here setup. Yeah. If you've made it this far in the video, what I want you to do is go down to the comments and type in what your plan is for the summer. If you've got some big trip, or if you have an annual trip you do with your friends, I'd love to hear about it. I love that kind of stuff. So go ahead to the comments, tell me about it. The reason I say that is, that's what I'm thinking about, is my big summer trip. It'll be in the middle of May. 2 weeks, taking 2 weeks off of work, just using it all in one lump sum. It's gonna be great. Hot. Woo! Gotta give that a minute. You know, I like winter a lot. But every time it's winter and I'm camping, I think about summer. And every time it's summer and I'm camping, I still think about summer. Alright, I finished cleaning up. I'm heading to bed. I've got the entire new season of Formula One Drive to Survive. And I'm going to see how many episodes I can get through tonight. I'll see you tomorrow. I love that heater. Beautiful Sunday morning. Got like maybe an inch or a half an inch of snow last night too. I didn't expect that. I think they want my leftovers. I'm surrounded by them. Well, there's some wind and snow heading in. It was in the forecast, I knew it would be coming. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pack up and head out. But thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you like more of this kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe and like it if you did. If you didn't, dislike. See you next time.